Okay, so we've made it back to the river in here. We're on a strip of high ground that separates the flooding from the river. We had a bow stand here this fall, saw numerous mature bucks, had several shooter bucks on camera back here. The problem was the wind is so finicky. We want to be as close to the river as we can get, but there's not a good tree. And we were spotted several times here from the deer looking up. I don't know if there's a lot of guys bow hunting the fringes of this, but definitely they're educated looking up. So what we're gonna do, don't matter what we spook today. I mean, we got 9 months for them to get back into their patterns. We know One-Eyed Jack is in here. We had another 11 point in here hitting the scrape, plus a couple of 2.5, maybe 3.5-year-old 8 points back in here late season. So we're gonna build a ground blind. It's gonna be right on the edge of the river. That way a couple things will happen. They can't get behind us and wind us. This will be good on any north type of wind condition. It's gonna be a situation where we're right up against the river, so our thermals, the river, the warm water in the river should pull our thermals out and up, so it shouldn't be a scent problem. The only ground scent we're gonna leave is we're gonna cross the main run getting to the stand, but we have to wear hip boots in. So hypothetically, there shouldn't be any scent. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like in just a minute. I'll show you what it's gonna look like before we start. We're gonna go ahead and get it brushed in right now. And then we're gonna plant some native grasses along the edge of it come spring, like horsetail or some of the taller foxtail type grasses that grow up 3 or 4 feet high. And then that will add a little bit more natural cover and they'll be used to it by fall. So I'm gonna show you real quick what this is gonna look like, okay?